The very thought of Indian food is mouth-watering to many of us. In North America, Indian food items like curry, samosas, and butter chicken have entered into the kitchens of every household. However, Indian food isn't just about those. Like its history and culture, Indian food is very rich and diverse across its geographic regions, from north to south and east to west. Chaat, a popular snack, is eaten all over the Indian subcontinent. Masala dosa is a savory rice pancake with potato stuffing. Biryani is a delectable rice dish made with spices and often meat. And gulab jamun is a sweet milk-based dessert. Spicy, tangy, savory, sour, and sweet. Name the flavor and you'll find plentiful dishes associated with it. Did you not want to try these different varieties of food? You don't have to go to India or to specialty restaurants to get the authentic taste and quality, because you can taste all that right here at the Great India Festival. It's a one-of-a-kind festival with free admission where food is cooked fresh on site by volunteer chefs and cooks. These chefs are either experienced cooks from famous restaurants or a mom, auntie, uncle, or dad who know how to cook authentic Indian food. The Great India Festival showcases more than 12 different types of main courses with at least 2 varieties for each dinner or lunch, and another dozen more varieties of snacks, sweets, and drinks over the 3 days of the festival, along with cooking demos by renowned chefs. Come every day and enjoy the authentic, yummy Indian food at the Great India Festival.